Hello everyone, this is Team 4, the Maviticians, and the name for project is Nutriment. Nutriment is a diet recommender Android application that can recommend diet to users based on their health conditions. Let's get started with the demo. So now I'll show you the create account functionality. Enter the name, email ID, password, phone number. On the register button, I got a message that a user is successfully created. Now I can show the next functionality, that is the login. You can log in the existing user now, or the newly created user. Login button. And now I've successfully logged in into the home page. I can show you the next functionality where the user has to enter the weight, height, age, and then select the health condition. This will successfully give him the BMI, BMR, and the calories that he needs to consume per day. Let's get started with this. Let's assume that I have diabetes. I click on 1. Then I click on calculate. Show me the BMI, BMR, and the calories that I need to consume per day. And it also shows that I'm underweight since my weight is only 55 pounds. Click on diet plan, and this will show me the recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's let's say I'm feeling hungry and I want to have lunch. So I click on the first item, which is chicken and egg salad, and it will show me the recipe for that item. So I click on back button now, and then I can show the next functionality, which is the FAQs, which will give you the frequently asked questions regarding the diet plan and the recipes. Now I can click on the logout button. This will successfully get me back to the login page. Now I can show the next functionalities, that is the reset password. So click on the reset password now. Then you can enter the same email ID that you used before. And click on submit. So that the password reset link has been sent to your email ID. So now let's go and check our email. You click on the refresh button, and then I can see the reset password which was sent now. And then I click on this link. Now this will open a new page where it will ask me to enter the new password. So now let's enter a password which I can remember easily, but I don't forget it next time. Save. It shows that I can sign in now with the new password. Let's go back to the app and now enter the new existing email along with the new password. Then click on the login button. It shows that I successfully logged in, and I can also see that the details that I entered previously, like weight, height, age, is successfully saved in the database. So now let's say I've been cured of diabetes and now I've been affected with osteoporosis. So I change this number 5, next health condition, and then click on health calculate. Then it will show me the calories that I need, and then I click on the diet plan, and then it'll show a different recipe since it's a different health condition. So I just want to have breakfast today. I click on kale banana smoothie, and then I can see the breakfast. And if I want to have dinner, I can click on the dinner item, and I can see the dinner recipe. So I can just click on the login button since we have done with all the functionalities, and then it successfully takes me back to the login page. And I can show you the database where we have created the table. So this is a database class, and this is where we have created the table, and then this is where we have entered the sequence. of height, weight, age, gender. So so we have successfully saved all the user details in the database. So that will be the end of our presentation.